Welcome to BellyBreath, to this stress and anxiety energy cleanse. This is your moment to release what no longer serves you, to soften, to breathe, and to return to calm. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle and close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to rise. And slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension. With each inhale, imagine drawing in peaceful energy. With each exhale, imagine releasing the weight of stress and worry. Now, picture a warm, radiant white light beginning to glow above your head. With every breath, this light flows down over you, through your head, neck, shoulders, chest, and all the way to your feet. This light cleanses your entire being, clearing out heaviness, worry, and anything you no longer need. Let it move through every cell, bringing clarity and calm. If emotions surface, simply notice them with kindness. You are safe to release. You are allowing energy to move freely again. Now, feel this white light transform into a gentle rose gold glow, the frequency of love. It surrounds you, within and without, until all that remains is warmth, safety, and peace. Repeat silently, I am calm. I am love. I am free. Let this truth sink into every part of you. Take one final deep breath, filling yourself with love and gratitude. And as you exhale, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You did beautifully. Carry this lightness and love with you into the rest of your day, and return to this practice whenever you need to release and renew. Thank you for practicing with belly breath. If this meditation brought you calm, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a moment of stillness.